Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame. As of right now, we did have a nice buy up yesterday, and we are still just floating in that same range. So today is going to be very important to see how we want to continue. Is this bottom going to get protected at 18.5, or are we going to test it again and look for lower? News for today. Europe just increased their interest rates by 75 basis points. And of course, that's going to have some effect with currencies, as well as the Japanese yen going to its lowest point against the dollar in 30 years. And they plan on continuing that. So those aspects will have effects on the currency markets. On the daily chart, all we need to do is this is going to consolidate, it looks like. We don't know how much strength we have to the upside, but I mean, if you look at your weekly chart, you can see we're still in a bearishly engulfing candle. We're trying to see if we can close somewhat in a better stance than lower than these wicks, and if so, then my target of 17.6 is gonna be more and more of a realistic area. If we do get above 19.8, we can look for higher, but yeah, 19.8 is gonna be the resistance to the upside. You have support at 18.5 and then 17.6. Where we go today is gonna be interesting to see because there's not really too much with this sideways. Even in the 4 hour, we just claimed the lower EMAs and we're testing against the 21. When you're consolidating like this on the bottom of it, more than likely we're going to break to the next level. So we can see around 19.8, and then we got to see if we're going to go higher from 19.8 today. Pre-market for US is already up 40 points. It did shave a little bit of its gains overnight, but it's going right back up. So looks like markets may be opening in a more positive note, and then we can see how it wants to act after markets open from there. That's what I was trying to show on Bitcoin. Let me go to Ethereum on a weekly real quick. So here's ETH on a weekly. We are not as bearish as we were on Bitcoin. Ethereum is the only reason that I am assuming Bitcoin will save itself and go up, because right now we're putting in higher low. So this now can be interpreted as many different things. What I want to see is a close today again above 1650 on ETH. I would like to see a test of 1800 and a claim. Like, I want us to open and close above 1800 on ETH on a weekly, and that'd be great. But at least for weekly side, I would like a test to the 21, and I would like it to close around here around 1800 or higher if it can. Okay, now going to the daily, it looks a little bit different. Yes, we have this nice little support area on the bottom, which was our low around 1000-ish. Yeah, this stuff around here around 1000-ish, and now we're trying to formulate another layer of support above this level here. We have not tapped into these negative point of controls, and we're already wicking away from this low at around 1400. So 1420 is acting as local support right now, and we're looking at if we can get higher. We have resistance right here at the 100 EMA at around 1687. So you have to see if we can hold the 4 hour or the daily close above 1620, 1630, just like yesterday. We need to open and close here again, and then we can look for a higher tomorrow. Even if this thing is like a doji or whatever, if this closes like a doji today and the US markets do okay, then you still have the possibility of higher. I would not consider this to be a bearish mode until we start losing 1575 and then start closing hourly, at least hourly candles under 1575. I'm not looking for lower right now. I'm looking for sideways and up, because the damage to the downside has already been made. Now we're trying to take some money from the shorts as we go up level by level. So yeah, I mean, the measured move for this little neckline would be all the way over here somewhere. So let's see if we get to 24,000-25,000 on Ethereum in the next few weeks. And that is what we're looking for on the daily. Go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, since last night, we've been just going sideways after the daily close. So EMAs are now coming all converged. We need to just go sideways here. As long as we go sideways here, we will have the opportunity to break to the next level around 1800. If we can hold the $1,600 level. Any closes under 1575 is gonna be a warning that downside is coming. But as long as we can hold above 1600 with hourly open and closes, we have the potential of going to 1650 and higher, probably right as markets open. So keep an eye out for that. All right. Aside from that, what else were we looking at? So right now, everyone is loving this coin. I was charting this on the wrong exchange, but here is LUNC. Let's go to a daily. So it's just on a breakout. There's no way to deny that. I do think we will be coming on a daily to around 1 cent. That looks like, yeah, it looks like we'll go to 1 cent on the daily. If you have a little bit more time, let's see the weekly. No, you can't even pull anything. You could go to a 4-hour. So this is how I would say this. This asset is probably going to come test this area right here, 0.0047. After that, you have to see if you can hold sideways and up. You can even put this price action in a little bit of a channel. Oh, I already have a channel, haha. So I would just delete this channel. So right now, this is where I was trying to say I would short yesterday, and it actually broke out of the channel. That's great. I would have been stopped out, but if I'm watching these 4-hour closes, I would be looking for an opportunity to come back in. This is now probably not the best short. You can probably long this area if you want, because since we're up on going on this trend, I'm looking for the support. So we're looking for the support on the high over here at 0.45. If we can get it, awesome. Stop loss under the 21. If you lose this 0.4 level, I would say downside is going to come, and more than likely you might test into this green EMA, which is around 0.3192 on this asset. The reason why I think that you should not be trying to take shorts all of a sudden is because when I look at this daily chart, it looks like we're going to be gunning for that this level right here, and then you can try to take a short off of this level here. Right now it's already breaking out of this little channel that we drew, and if you were going to short it, you were supposed to short the top of it, and we already broke out of it. So it's time to take a step back and wait for a daily close, and then you can get more data. But the volume is slowing down, but I do think the volume is going to come very, very close. Every day this is going to come closer and closer. This might not be at 0.01, it might be like over here somewhere or whatever, but it's coming. It's coming. I'm sure you guys are all been waiting for that. Hold on. Wish these candles were a little bit cleaner. It's so hard to chart this. I'm just gonna take this level here because I'm a lazy guy. Sure, this is not going to be exact, but it'll be close enough. So we are looking right now for Oh, we just hit that level right now. Okay, so we're actually at the top of the range. If we can actually hold this 0.4 level, that's a great area to long. So I will remove that and I will put it down here. And that's where I would try to take a long. If that level breaks, it will instantly become bearish. You can try to take shorts off of this level here to lower levels. I would just be careful about short because your EMA is riding up on you real quick. I think this EMA and this EMA are gonna come in for a kiss, and you are basically seeing price action sucked up to that potential cross. So this is what we're going to be looking for, and I'm actually going to share this chart with everyone else. Aside from that, guys, this was the free altcoin of the day since there's so much action about it. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to share it with me. I will get back to you. Aside from that, if there are other assets you would like me to cover, please feel free to share and I will get back to you with those information. Lastly, please don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell button for notification. It really helps me out, guys. I'm trying to go full swing with this YouTube career, and the only way I can do it is with your help and support. So thank you so much. And last but not least, if there are any other questions or concerns you guys would like to get real-time answers to, please feel free to join our Discord group, which is in the section below. Any other assets you would like to cover or see a chart in, feel free to join me on there. If I'm not there, someone else will be there to help you out because there's a bunch of, we have like over 150 members of pretty good traders. So hope to see you there. Have a great day. Be safe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.